So directors and officers liability insurance is an essential policy to protect members of the business community who serve on boards of companies. Because once you join a board of a company, you're going to be exposed to claims by outsiders and potentially people within the organization for things they claim you did wrong that cost them money. And you may say, hey, I want to have an indemnity agreement where the company indemnifies me for the wrongdoings that somebody claims I did as a member of the board, but that company may not want to indemnify you, they may not agree to indemnify you when the time comes, and that's where the insurance comes in to protect you as an officer or director and to protect the company from liability claims for doing something wrong. Because typically the policies cover both the individual officers and directors and cover the company who has promised to indemnify the officers and directors. It works both ways. The officer and director feels protected, and the company knows that they have a source of money to get a lawyer to defend these officers and directors and to pay indemnity if the case goes to trial and there's a judgment or if there's a settlement. I would say to anyone who's going to become a director, an officer, or a company, don't do it without making sure that you have this coverage in place before you step into the role.